Today, there's a very crash boss who just only falling off the very dangerous cliff. Here we know what Kids WB is reporting to us. So let's check it out how it results. Thank you for details. So here we're going to see is there's a very strange crash bus who was very crashed to the falling of the cliff. So let's go into respond to it. But first, who could be the most careless stranger? So now let's go into hop on into the questions.
It is real! I gotta get out of here!
Okay. Well, I'm really going to eat some dinner because my mom said that I could eat without my phone. So that's all for the VD's breaking news. So see you next time for VD's breaking news. So bye.
That's it? That's the last episode? That was just a bunch of cheap walk cycles!
Psych! I'm stupid! I like karate! Duh.
You must be pulling my leg. Stop making humor before someone sees you, fool.
Are you ready, kids?
Yes, Raphael.
I can hear you!
Yes, Raphael.
Who is in a yellow house under the clouds?
VD's motivation.
I'm throwing a hat and curling my hair!
VD's motivation.
If a moral of nothing be something you win,
VD's motivation.